Alright, class, today for lesson 2, session 1, we're going to explore using mental math strategies for subtraction. The learning targets, we're going to count on to subtract, make it 10 to subtract, use a fact family to help subtract, and also we're going to learn how to distinguish like addition and subtraction problems, like from a word problem, be able to tell if it's addition or subtraction. First, we're going to do a little easy warm-up to find out which ones do not belong. So that one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's counting up by 1. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting down by 1. And then Z, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting up by 1. So which ones would you say that are the same? Tanvir?
Number A.
And what's similar to A?
Cause number cause it's 6.
Is it 6? Is it because it's the way it's counting up or counting down or what?
Counting up.
Counting up? Good job. And then what would be the other group?
A and B are the same.
A and B?
But they're switched up.
Okay, they have the same numbers, but they
Switched
go
up.
in different order? Okay. Anyone else have any other inputs for this? Miguel?
Because if one is actually at the front and one is at the back, and that means that's the difference. Like they look the same.
They do look similar, but they're just in reverse order, right? Okay.
They're in backwards.
Does anyone have anything to say about this one?
Yeah.
What's similar? Which one is similar with that one?
I say B and D.
Because it has a few of the same numbers.
Yeah.
What about what other one is counting up by 1? Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Anything counting up? A? What else? What other number? Or what other group of letters?
C and D.
B is the only one counting down.
No.
Yeah. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Essentially, that's the one that doesn't belong. That one is the only one counting down. You got that, Bobby?
I have.
You have another thing to add to it? What is it?
So all the others have one, but one of them counts to 10. So that means that one.
Oh. You saying that just that? Oh, I guess. Are you connecting these two? Is that why?
I'm connecting. So I figured out that all of them was one, but one had started
I mean, just the top two have 1.
all those three are the same except that one because it has 10.
I got you. I understand now.
Starts turning into the 10.
Alright, sit down. Okay, this is some background knowledge before the first problem we're going to look into. Shichu, which is a Western Apache name for a paternal grandfather. In some languages, there are different names for family members. Does anyone have any name that they call their grandpa other than grandpa?
Yes.
Papa? I call mine Papa as well.
No. Papa.
Papa, yeah.
Papa.
Yeah, Papa. I use that too. Anyone else have anything different that they call their grandfather?
I'm gonna make
side is different. Very nice. I like that. Alright. When have you written to or received a letter or card from a relative? Did you guys receive anything for your birthday? Good. Alright. Aloe, or I guess it's Alo. Alo has 14 stamps. He uses 6 stamps to mail letters to Sichu, who lives in Arizona. So what type of problem do you guys think this is going to be? What type of problem do you guys think this is going to be? We'll look more into it and we'll get the looks into it. Alright. What's the first highlight of information we should underline? Perfect. 14 stamps. Alright, then the next, what would be the next information? Mason? Good job. Alright. Okay. So what would be the information that you guys would identify that would you for you to be able to distinguish if it's addition or subtraction? Kenzo? Do you have an idea? Good. Alright. What about you, Elliot? Aloe has 14 stamps. He uses 6 stamps to mail letters to Sichu, who lives in Arizona. What would be the word that you'd be able to point out as for you to help to distinguish if it's addition or subtraction? Can we call on someone else? Alright. Sam, ready? You don't know? Taylor? Yeah, what would you underline to figure out if it's addition or subtraction?
You would.
You want me to read it out to you one more time?
On my page it says how many stamps does Otto have left? I don't see it.
Oh, well, it's literally just these two sentences, that's all. That's all you need for this problem. So if Aloe has 14 stamps and he uses 6 stamps, how many stamps does he have left? There we go.
No.
Yeah.
You underline how many stamps does Aloe have? No, you underline have Aloe have left
You're right.
because it's subtraction.
Excellent. Yes, the problem is subtraction. Do you guys agree with Taylor that it's subtraction?
Yes. Yes.
Where's the eraser? The one. Okay, so let's go back. There's 14 and 6. So we write the total number 14 first. We can also put we'll do the 10 sticks for this problem to represent. Write the long line and then the 4 dots. to represent 14. No, hold on a sec. We'll go with writing the 14 circles. So do a row of 10, and then a row of 4. You guys can go ahead and do these on your whiteboards. All right, does everyone have the 14 circles written down to represent how many stamps Aloe has? What's up?
My marker doesn't work.
Here, use this one. All right, if Aloe used 6 stamps to mail this letter to his Sichu, so we'll cross off 6. We'll set up the problem. 14 minus 6. We'll have that marked off. So we'll count how many circles we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will provide us with the answer for the equation. 14 minus 6. Very nice. This? Oh, I had you write it down on your board, your whiteboard. Write the circles
I
down.
don't see it.
See what?
I don't know.
Just write down a row of 10 of dots and then a row of 4.
Is that pink?
That's 10 and that's 4. 14, yeah. All right, whoever has it all done, put up your whiteboard so I can see.
Miss Avi?
Yes. 10 dots and then 4. Yeah. 14 minus 8, Adrian, not plus 8. Did you write? You gotta write 14 dots. Joy. Can you then recount your circles because we're only crossing off 6. Okay. So the answer should be less than 10. Very nice, Corio. Yes, Miguel.
It's just right in. This can isn't right. It's just right.
It looks fine.
It looks like it's all like this. Like a paintbrush.
Just don't press as hard. Then it'll be a little more fine to write with.
Wow. How do you?
All right, we didn't do the boxes for this one. We did dots, but it'll still get you the same answer. No, I can just explain this part, and then we'll move on to the next part of the lesson. Or, you know what? Yeah, let's draw the squares up. One way to subtract from T numbers is to make a 10. We've been working on making a 10. Adrian, please sit down. Focus. Okay? We're good. Let's get through this lesson, okay? Thank you.
We erase our boards.
Erase your boards, please. This problem's going to be slightly different from the last one. Instead of 14 minus 6, we're doing 14 minus 5. But we're going to do a slightly different approach to do it. So yeah, we'll draw a rectangle with 10 boxes in it. And then another one with the same. Just fill it up with each one with a circle. And the second set of squares, put in 5. ahead, Adrian, keep going. Draw two rectangles with 10 boxes in each.
I can't see.
You
Did you
can't.
underline it?
No, it's right here.
Did you underline this or this? I don't see it.
Oh no, this will be. We can do this on our whiteboards.
No, I mean this one. Did you underline it? I don't see it.
Oh, the answer right here.
No.
We got that.
Did you underline this? I can't see it.
Oh no, I didn't underline it. No, no. I can though. See about 14 minus 5. You can break the 5, cross out the counters to subtract from 14 to make 10. Just we're not having to underline right now. So, what do you need to subtract 14 to make 10? So from the boxes.
There's like 14 here. 4.
Did you pause it real quick? Okay. For this one, think about 14 minus 5. You can break apart the 5, cross out the counters, subtract 14 to make 10. So we have the you guys have the boxes already created in your book. We made 10, and then with the 4 extra, which would be 14, you take the 5 and you cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we just count how many boxes that are not crossed, which will leave us with 9. So 14 minus 5, 9.
What?
Taylor, do you have your explanation of how to do it?
So, how to subtract 4 to make 10 is to subtract 4 to make 10, and how to subtract 5 is subtract 1 more, and it equals 9.
That is excellent. Class, did you guys hear Taylor's explanation?
Yes.
That was spot on.
Oh, I didn't finish.
It's just crossing out the circles and the squares, 5 of them, and getting your answer. Jade, can you please sit down though? Thank you. Why is subtracting 4 and then subtracting 1 the same as subtracting 5? Does anyone want to take a gander at that? I want to call someone else. Anyone else got something printed for this? Why is subtracting 4 and then subtracting 1 the same as subtracting 5? Arlene? Would you like to take a shot at this? Ava?
Because 4 plus 1 equals 5, so if you take away 4, and then you take away 1, then it's 5.
Excellent. Very good. Alright class, carpenters build projects using wood. Carpenters may use mental math to figure out how many boards of wood are left after working for a full day. When might it be useful to subtract in your head? What other uses can mental math be for everyday things you do in life? What else could you guys use mental math for? Yes, Taylor?
You can use mental math for that when you go in space,
space?
Yeah, because he read a book of how a boy use numbers to be really smart. He used numbers to go into space. To be an astronaut.
And also, one of the things that you guys do almost every week, or not every day, but every other day, is math facts. The better you guys are at mental math, the better you'll be at math facts. Yeah? Does anyone have an example they want to put forth that is an example of subtraction?
It's right here. It's in a map.
Yes.
Where's that? I got that. It's up.
7 minus 7? Excellent. And then I'll put 1 down. I'll do the boxes. Alright. Can anyone tell me what these boxes represent?